Alrighty, good morning guys. Well, we're out here on a little gravel job. Got a couple little antagonists next door there. But a friend of mine has putting a little pool in backyard here, a little above ground pool. So we're spreading a little bit of AB, and then we got some sand coming up here in a little while. But right now he's on the little mini skid, going back and forth hauling this. It is way better than doing it with a wheelbarrow, but this is really the first real use of the thing. So I'll go back here and show you where we're going. Way over in the corner back over there. So we're just kind of going slow at first, so we don't tear up all the rest of his gravel. Getting kind of used to how it works. But so far it's going pretty good. I'm going to set up a tripod back there in the corner. See how that goes. So we've got a plywood set up back there to turn on. Made a little ramp so we don't tear up the corners or the edges of his pavers. And it's working pretty good. And I've got a shovel out, so when we get a scoop, kind of throw a little bit extra in there if we need to. We're still learning how to efficiently scoop up rocks with it. Good. Yeah. That's a pretty decent scoop. And then while he goes to the back, I kind of just tune up the pile a little bit so it makes it easier on the next scoop. Now tilt your bucket down a little more. Really have it where it's scraping pretty good. Yeah, there you go. The controls aren't real good that way. What he was talking about, it's a little tough. I mentioned this earlier. It's a little tough to work the bucket and work the arm up and down at the same time that you're driving forwards and backwards. The control sticks just aren't that accurate. Thing is, you can pile it up like that, and then we'll just back drag it with the machine if we get ready to smooth it all. There we go. about 1 ton of AB, so it's moving along pretty quick. It's nice. Probably just one, maybe 1.5 more scoops. We'll have it moved. I don't know that it's actually a whole lot faster, but it's definitely easier. Okay, here we go, the last little bit. It's easier dragging it backwards. More down. There you go. Go ahead and push it down hard. Yeah. A little more tilt forward. Yeah. Push down. hang of it. That's not bad.
To get raked.
It takes a little bit to get used to doing it with the. It's one of the hardest things is spreading evenly with something like that, because every little whoop you do, you get it climbs up on it, raises your bucket, and makes another one.
The only thing I think would be easier with those is if you could adjust easier when you're going.
Yeah.
When you're going back and be able to twist like a bobcat, you have a little bit more control.
Yeah. Yeah, the controls on this are not really designed well for doing that, but
that was a hell of a lot easier of a ton to move than ever done.
Yeah, yeah. Way easier than doing it with a wheelbarrow for sure. Alrighty, we're on to the sand. Just finished dumping the sand, just letting the trailer down. There we go. There's a good scoop. The sand's a little bit wet, so it's kind of heavy. We don't drop it all the way back there. coming for the last scoop of sand. Last little bit, couple of shovels full. Here on the plywood. That. Oh, cool. Oh. Malachi's doing all the hard work for me here, putting the ramps away. Nice little project. Took us a couple of hours is all. Moved a ton of AB and a ton of sand, and the machine worked pretty darn well. Didn't give me any problems. Didn't break down yet. I didn't look at the hour meter, but we might be at 2 hours on the thing now, maybe 2.5. So not doing too bad. We'll see. I'll check it out when I get home and check the oil and make sure everything still looks good on it. But so far I'm pretty daggum happy with that little machine. It's certainly, like they say, it's easier than a shovel and a wheelbarrow. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll try to keep them coming, and I will catch you later.